the battery. After starting it up, I played with this adjustable voltage regulator and noticed how I can swing the voltage up and down depending on my needs or what country I want to use the generator in. Some places need 220, some want 240.
When you walk around the generator and have a good look at the enclosure, it looks strong and is built well. There's features on here that you don't see on other generators. Even a rust-resistant paint has been used. Many people would not even know that you're using a diesel engine because there's no smoke or bad smell associated with it. There's no need to connect this generator to a fuel supply. You'll find the built-in fuel tank underneath the engine here has enough fuel storage to run the generator for over 24 hours. To quickly get power, you can plug into this 30 amp outlet on the front of the generator, or you could make a more permanent connection to your home at a later time. Now you'll really like the doors on this generator.
If you're ever tight for space, you can remove the doors.
Putting it all back together again is just as easy.
Now we all know water and electricity don't mix, and these generators are often running when it's pouring rain out and the weather conditions are not ideal. Every panel door on this generator rests on weather stripping, automotive grade weather stripping, and even foam pads like this one here to help minimize vibrations and keep the water out.
To further protect the generator from water damage, even stainless steel hinges are used, and rust-resistant nuts and bolts with lock washers are used everywhere. Even the lock on the door is solid.
Every part of this generator has very easy access. From this 30 amp outlet I can plug into my manual transfer switch to these more permanent connections under here where I'd run a cable out to my home. Just open the side door and even the battery is very easy to access. There's two ways to check and see how much fuel you have. You can check right here in the fuel inlet, or this electrical connection shows you on another gauge in the front panel of the generator. You don't have to get dirty when you change the oil. Just open up that valve and take this cover off over here, and the oil and water can drain out into a pan. Now you do those regular oil changes and you change your fuel filter and your air filter when necessary, and you'll find that this engine will last you well over 10,000 hours. The alternator or generator head, you don't have to worry about that. It's maintenance free. It's also CSA approved for both Canada and the United States. It's really high quality. Examine the wiring now behind the electrical panel and you'll find everything is very well laid out. It's all labeled and easy to follow. Everything is just so simple. Next time the power fails, you could make your own electricity. Now, if turning a key and pushing a button to start a generator is too much work for you, you can get this automatic transfer switch as an option. It'll safely disconnect your home from your main power source and redirect it to the generator when the power fails. It automatically turns on the generator and automatically turns it off when power has been restored and reconnects things back to your main power.